In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on your Bluetooth on the laptop. Simple and easy. That's for Windows laptops. So to do that, we just bring our cursor down here. If you have yours on top here, you just move to your taskbar here. What you're going to do is you just tap on the Wi-Fi, the speaker, and the battery. And you should see Bluetooth here. Simple. So you just tap on this here. And you can see I've turned on my Bluetooth, and you can tap on more settings here. So if your Bluetooth is not working, then means you have a driver problem. So I have a video on how to download drivers for your laptop, which I'm going to link it to this video. Good, very much simple and easy. Or you can buy a Bluetooth dongle, which is not expensive, $3 to $2. You just buy one, you insert it, and you should be good to go. Yeah. And also, if you're not finding it here, you can come to this section here. And now let's search Bluetooth. You should also find this here, Bluetooth and other settings. Good. So this is also going to help you turn it on and off here too as well. Very, very simple. So that's it on how you turn on and off Bluetooth on your laptop. Yeah, simple and easy. So if you're new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.